up?
Back of my ear.
Oh, it's good. Oh, that's real good.
I wonder if you can hear me.
Hello, it is the Arizona Breeze, aka Mason Bond, here with Feel the Breeze TV, and we're here to do a little bike check on the Revel Rascal slope style edition, or slalom, whatever you want to call it. We're not that kind of people, dude. We keep it fresh. Whatever you want to do with your bike, that's okay. You do you. We're happy. As long as you're happy and riding your bike. That's what we're about. Okay, enough of that. Let's get to the check. I guess we'll start with the non-important points. We got a Anvil tie saddle. It's pretty uncomfortable. Just be real. So, not sitting down on it. We got the Fox Transfer dropper, just slammed. That's key for if I'm trying to go pedal on this bike, which hopefully I'm not. Next up, we got some Deity Tan Penis grips, both on the right and the left side, just to keep it matchy. I guess we're rocking full Deity cockpit. We've got some 787 bars cut down to 740. We've got the Deity Copperhead stem, because daddy's into snakes. Yeah, Kill Bill, baby. Copperhead. Let's go. Next up, since we're on the cockpit, we got Trp Dhr Evo Brakes. Gotta have them hot stoppers. I like stoppies. I like doing brake tricks. We'll call it that. We do have them set up to spin. We've got it set up with the EDC 1-up thing, whatever you call it. No tool. I'm the only tool on this bike. Hey. Self-burn. Next up, we got some Truvative Descendant cranks. Probably too long for this bike because the bottom bracket's real low. We've got a single speed setup. Let's see, what size chainring do we got here? We got 32 tooth. 32. We've got a gold XX1 chain. Got to keep the baby bougie. Running it single ring. We've got the reverse components. Chain doodad. Keeps everything right and tight for when I case a jump really hard. My bike doesn't explode. Or whatever happens when that happens. What else do we got? We've got clearly the best Revel Rascal frame. The Blue Angel. It's the Blue Angel. Then we've got the Revel RW30 wheels, front and rear, 32 hole, laced up to a I9 101, and then we've got a Industry 9 free coaster. Maximum stunt life. And then last but not least, we've got some Maxxis Ardents for maximum scrumpage, speedage, and grippage. Life is swell. We just got snaked. And I guess we've got some boingers front and rear set up horribly. Because when you stunt life, you don't need good stuff. So we've got King Creek DB Air rear, and a Helm V1 front. Not sure what I have the travel set at that. That's at 130. And I think that concludes this thing with my bike. I think it went really well. Peace out, Girl Scouts.
Sick!
Cut it. Cut it.
Oh!